On September 11, 2001, the world changed forever. For hijacked airliners, nearly 3,000 lives lost, and an era of fear, security, and war that continues to shape our lives. We know the headlines. 2 planes hit the Twin Towers. Another struck the Pentagon, and a 4th crashed in a Pennsylvania field. But even after 2 decades of investigations, reports, and documentaries, lingering questions remain. In this video, we'll examine 3 of the most debated mysteries of that day: the sudden collapse of World Trade Center 7, the strike on the Pentagon, and the final moments of United Flight 93. What really happened? What do we know, and what remains unsettled? This isn't about promoting conspiracy theories. It's about looking at the record, the eyewitness accounts, the official findings, and the unanswered details that still puzzle experts and the public alike. The event, World Trade Center 7, or WTC-7, stood just north of the Twin Towers, a 47-story steel-framed skyscraper. It housed offices for the SEC, Secret Service, and other government agencies. At 5:20 p.m., 7 hours after the North Tower fell, WTC-7 collapsed completely in under 10 seconds. No plane had hit it. Early confusion, initial news coverage called the collapse mysterious. Eyewitnesses described fires burning for hours on multiple floors, but few imagined total failure. The National Institute of Standards and Technology (NIST) launched a multi-year investigation, eventually concluding in 2008 that uncontrolled office fires, fed by diesel fuel and debris damage from the Twin Towers, caused a critical structural failure. Lingering questions. Critics argue that skyscrapers rarely fail from fire alone. Some point to the symmetrical, near-freefall descent as resembling a controlled demolition. Independent engineers note that portions of the building indeed fell at freefall acceleration for a brief period, a fact NIST acknowledged but attributed to the unique design and the removal of key columns. Key evidence and counterpoints. Debris impact. The collapse of WTC-1 ignited fires and damaged critical structural members. Sprinkler failures. Water mains were severed, leaving firefighters unable to control the blaze. No explosive residue. Extensive testing found no chemical traces typical of demolition. Yet, the visual of a skyscraper folding neatly remains striking. For many, the rapidity of the collapse is the central mystery. The truth may be that both clarity and mystery coexist. Engineering data explains much, yet memories of that data, images of collapsing steel, the small hole in a massive fortress, the quiet Pennsylvania field invite us to keep asking. As we remember the lives lost, we must also remember the importance of evidence, critical thinking, and empathy. History is not just what happened, but how we continue to seek understanding.